Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to set a timer on Snapchat. This is one of the easiest things you can do on Snapchat, so let's go ahead and get started. You want to go ahead and hop on Snapchat. From here, you'll be on this page. All you want to do is click on the plus icon, but before you do that, the top icon is to switch your camera around. You can then turn on flash, add timelines. You can also add music to your picture or video. You can turn on a dark time mode, but once you click the plus, it'll give you all these options. You can also do multi-snap, is where you can take multiple snaps on one session. There's also timer. So if you want timer, go ahead and click the plus icon. Once again, you can then see it's highlighted so you know it's on. If you want to add more time or less time, right now it says 3, so it's 3 seconds once you click it. But go ahead and click it. From here, you can scroll left and right and just decide how much time you want on your timer. So you can go up to 10 seconds or even go to 1 second. Whatever you would like. Once you find the right time, go ahead and select set timer. You then want to click on the photo, and then it will start the countdown of whatever you selected. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to make any more videos, and I will see you in the next one.